guess that's not working, is it? Thought I would be able to do something with the paintbrush. I take my my putty knife and knock down the high edges. And go back on the other one. Right there. I don't know. That actually looks really good there. I'm liking that. Okay. So now I see this is a little low too. Right along in here. That. What do you think about those patches? Okay. There. I'm really liking that. When that dries, you're not even going to see it. And now see, up in here, I can still see the lines. Right there, right up there. Get a little bit more of this on there. I need to resituate my cardboard. I gotta resituate this. Okay. Okay, I'll have to stand on that. Back and forth I go. See what I can do here. paint roller. That's really not doing anything. See, I didn't want to dip this into the bucket, but let's just, I got a little bit on there. That doesn't want to work as good as putting it on with the paintbrush, I don't think. Let's try to put a little bit more on and see. I'm not liking that as much as the paintbrush. Although with the roller, it leaves some highs and lows. If you don't push it in there all the way, it leaves it kind of rough, and it sort of matches everything else. Maybe I'm poo-pooing the roller too quick. Let's put a little bit more on. Just kind of add a few more highs and lows on this. Maybe I should go right over this and add some highs and lows. Okay, so I'm gonna dip that in, take some of it off, and I'll come in here. Yeah, it's got lots of little fine, like fiberglass particles in the mix, and that's what helps it bond so well. That added a little bit of stuff. That added something nice, a little bit of texture onto the wall. Do you see that? Right up there. Right up in there. It kind of mimics some other things, and I could do that. I could do that a little lower here too, like right in here. It's just, I'm just dipping my roller in the stuff, just putting some on there. I think that's might be a good thing, huh? It's just adding just a hair high, so I've got a little bit of high-low now instead of just all flat. It's still flat. You know, still flat. Go over that with my paintbrush if I want. It's adding a little something onto the wall. I could do that. I could do that right down in there too. It's just dipping a little bit in with the roller. Get my high and low in there. Make it less obvious that there was some patching of some cracks going on there with some caulking. You wouldn't even know it now, would you?
Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.